Just in case you missed it, look at the scoreboard. Bangladesh, 508 all out. West Indies, 111 all out. And following on, 213 all out. Bangladesh clobbered the West Indies by an innings and 184 runs inside 3 days. This is not India or Australia or England. This is Bangladesh. And I want to tell you, if they were allowed to put the West Indies into bat again, West Indies still could not reach Bangladesh first inning score. So they would have lose by 2 innings. And again, there are a myriad of circumstances that have condemned the West Indies to their current status in Test cricket. But one of the things that people don't want to talk about is the shameless mentality of the current crop of players. No pride in themselves and no pride in representing the West Indies. Look at the end of the same test match against Bangladesh. Kemar Roach and Sherman Lewis walking off the park, happily greeting and congratulating the Bangladeshis. I mean, Bangladesh just pulverized and embarrassed them. And the man them a walk and a giggle and a shake hand like it's just another game. The man them supposed to be embarrassed and vexed. And them supposed to look embarrassed and vexed. And these are the little things why every time West Indies play Test cricket these days, I cannot watch them. Oh yes, as them spin the toss in a test match involving the West Indies, the Maverick take for himself and take for himself fast.